Hey guys, Dr. Dobson. Here's a case that we did to restore a patient's anteriors that were pretty broken down. We did an implant for the lateral incisor, and then everything was in zirconia that we made in-house. So here's some footage installing the implant, or the crown on the implant, and then cementing the rest of the crowns on the anteriors. Here's some more info about the case. The patient actually initially presented with a fractured 1-2 at the gum line, and we decided to replace it with an implant. So we did an immediate surgery, and then there's the implant. And then the rest of his teeth were pretty chipped, and he wanted that restored. So we ended up, here's a scan of the pre-op for the rest of the anteriors. We ended up prepping them for crowns. He has a pretty deep bite, so we had to retract and reduce. And then here's the reduction map. We got our millimeter or so of reduction for the anteriors, and the implant there's that. And there's the preps that we send to the designer. So he's going to design our teeth, and then I'm going to plug that into the milling machine, which we will do in-house, and I will despruce, interdict polish, and then we'll install. So I'll get started with the footage here. How long have you been in the Nelson area for?
Since 76.
Wow.
So I'm
the glory days.
48 years, yeah.
All those
76 to 90.
Yeah.
91, we went up to Caslow in 91.
Cool.
I was a manufacturer's agent. I was in, I had a promo product distributorship. You know,
Okay.
like calendars and pens and.
Oh, I see.
You know, a million and one things. You know.
Yeah, lots of SKUs.
Yeah. You know, and I even did, a lot of orders for dentists even. You know, I throw it the interior, right?
Yeah, right. Just branding stuff, and
you know, in the shape of a tooth.
Yeah, putting their logo on it.
Fridge magnets, you know, used to be big. Yeah, things like that. Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
You know, it was a real diverse.
Yeah, so you got to work with a lot of businesses, and yeah. My dad sold radio advertising back when radio was a thing, so he also got to interface with a lot of small local businesses, and he loved that.
Oh yeah. You know, I think I say times changed, and you know, it just each year it just slowly faded away. Yeah.
I think we're gonna put the implant in first here. I don't think that's dropped in there.
It will.
It will.
No, it will. It was in.
There it goes. Okay, that's good there. Okay, that's good to go there. Okay, and we will start bonding the centrals. I think I'll get the 1-1 first. And I'm actually just going to check which one is the 1-1. Let's see. Yeah,
They have a longer incisal edge.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, but the 1-1 versus the 2-1.
Like that. The gum line.
Oh, yeah, good call.
I'm pretty sure. That's the only way they would go, because they don't go that way.
No.
It's this way. They go like this.
Yeah, you're right.
Those ones are.
Yeah, that's right.
No, this would be straightforward.
Okay, we'll pumice the teeth quick here and then bond the crowns.
You want to go?
I think 1-1, yeah. Oh man, well, it'd be nice to get out of town again next weekend. Geez, actually,
Are you going next weekend or like
this weekend, yeah.
Oh my God.
Actually, it was nice last weekend. I felt that was a really good weekend. Like it felt like a long weekend, and
yeah. Well, I think because like you were gone Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
and then back,
Saturday.
yeah, and then some more action on, yeah.
Yeah, so you're still home for a bit. Or when you come home on Sunday.
Yeah, you go right back to real life mode.
Yeah. I find that anyway.
Yeah, I agree. Okay, that's good there. That's good. Okay, we'll pick off the glue, maybe a couple pokes in the gums. Okay, grab some floss there. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, that's good there. That's good. Okay, everything is in place. The eagle has landed. The eagle is in the nest. Yeah, they look good.
They do look good.
And we'll check the bite there. Yeah, so now that they're in, let me know. Yeah, let's see you. Okay. See a bite and clench and open and bite and clench and open. Yeah, how does it feel when you bite and kind of slide around? Let me know if there's any high spots. Good. Okay, all done. Yay.